My favourite part of Seek7 has been working with my group and getting to know them more.
The most challenging thing in Seek7 was probably the fact that we were learning to work with new people and that it's a new experience for most of us.
The thing I enjoyed most during this week was the final construction for our presentation. Everyone had great ideas and we all got the chance to include them in our final presentation.
We are not following our normal schedule and we have had the opportunity to focus on one topic for the whole week. This has helped me to expand my knowledge on the topic.
The most useful thing I found about this week was Cape Town. I found this very useful so I can think and reflect on how much we take water for granted.
This week I've had to use my mind differently because we've had to think for ourselves when the teachers usually give us the information and instructions, and I've really enjoyed it.
My group's biggest challenge was choosing a focus question, and we overcame this by listening to each other and we chose the best one from that. The most useful thing I learnt this week was all about the climate change and the environment and things that not all people know but that we got to learn and got to write about, and also how to work in a group that you don't normally be with and how to all be leaders, not just one person.
What I've enjoyed the most is working collaboratively with my group instead of doing normal schoolwork, doing something which is nice and a fun activity.
My biggest challenge would be working in groups because we all had different ideas and different answers and different questions, and we all had to compromise on one idea or one answer to the question.
One of the ways that I've had to expand my mind during Seek7 is allowing myself to work with people that I wouldn't usually work with. Even though we don't exactly see eye to eye on some cases and aren't used to working with each other, if we put our differences behind us, we can really come up with a finished product that is great.
The most useful skill I've learned in Seek7 is teamwork, because I'll be able to use these skills for the rest of my life.